Banu Umayyah's family began with Amir Muawiyah Radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu. In that family there were many kings after kings. One of the king got his son married and advised him three things. That if he wanted peace in his kingship, he should do three things. Whenever he went to meet his spouse, he should recite Bismillah Rahman Rahim. When he does it, he should recite Bismillah Rahman Rahim. He shall get children who will be respectable of to their parents and all. Allah Pak will grant food to the generations. Then the son of that king, when became the king, got his son tested. He sent a man with his son. While the prince was praying a prayer, that person exclaimed with joy, "That wow, you should the pray excellently. It's time for your father to die and go to Jannah or leave kingship. Now you are the only heir of this kingship." Prince got extremely angry and pointed his arrow at him and said, "Why, what did you said about my father? If you were not my teacher, I would have killed you with the arrow in my bow." Though Prince was being tested by his father, that man went to the king and told him how the result was. King replied in no doubt that my father's Bismillah has worked perfectly ever after.
وعبقري حسان